Assalamu alaikum dear friends. Today I am going to discuss with you topic on pharmaceutical analysis. Analytical chemistry deals with the instruments and it deals with the separation and identification and quantification of the matter in the entire compound, and it deals with the study of the instruments in how the instruments work and the principle on which the instruments work. In the analytical chemistry, there is a method for which refers to the techniques which are used for the detection, identification, characterization, quantification of chemical compounds. These methods are commonly used in biological researches, drug development, and the quality control area of the pharmaceutical products in the industry. So these are the methods by which the pharmaceutical application applies on the instruments. And the number one is the atomic absorption and emission spectroscopy. Number two is the molecular fluorescence spectroscopy. Number three is the flame photometry. Number four is the IR spectroscopy. Next is the mass spectroscopy. Another is NMR spectroscopy, UV visible spectroscopy. These are the methods by which the instruments work for the identification and for the quantification, for the separation of the molecules in the compound. Now let's move further. Other techniques are the last one was the spectroscopic methods, and these are the chromatographic methods. It includes the column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, gas liquid chromatography, HPLC, LCMS, GCMS, capillary electrophoresis. These are the techniques of chromatographic method by which the a compound within a sample we can identify the compounds or molecule within a drug or molecule. Other techniques include electrochemical methods, which are potentiometry, polarography, radiochemical techniques, thermal analysis, different scanning calorimetry, differential thermal analysis, thermogravimetric analysis. Next is the occurrence, properties, preparation, and application of official inorganic compounds like aluminium hydroxide, ammonium chloride, sodium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, lithium carbonate, sodium nitrite, calcium gluconate, antimony gluconate, ferrous fumarate, ferrous sulfate, and silver nitrate. These are the compounds or inorganic compound which we can define the occurrence, properties, preparation, and application in official settings for the identification of the compounds. And the above are electrochemical methods and thermal analysis. These both are used for the identification and for the quantification purposes. Next is tetrametric analysis, acid-base titration, oxidation reduction titration, argentometric, complexometric titration, and non-aqueous titration. These are the types of titration which are the used for the measurement of the unknown compound, from known compound to the unknown compound. We can identify the moles and volume of a unknown compound by using the known compounds. So is the type of titrations: acid-base titration, oxidation, reduction titration, and other titrations. These have some indicators and we use for the identification of the unknown compound. Next, the practicals in its include are the determination of the purity and composition of unknown compounds by using at least each of the above techniques, and it depends on the facilities which are available in the given university or campus. So these are the techniques and processes through which we use in the instruments for the quantification of the instrument molecules in a compound. Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.